Milk is treated as a wholesome food across the globe. Right from children to old age, everybody consumes milk. In fact, it has become a part of our daily life. But is the milk we are drinking is safe? Are there any alternatives to milk? Let us discuss the facts about milk. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Natural Cosmos. Milk is of two types, A1 milk and A2 milk. A1 milk is given by A1 cow breeds and A2 milk is given by A2 cow breeds. Globally, most of the people consume A1 milk compared to A2 milk. Consumption of A2 milk is very less. The A1 milk comes from the Western breed cows which are natives of the Netherlands. Some of the breeds include Holstein Friesian, Jersey cow, Danish Red, Murray and Angus. These cows are famous for the quantity of the milk they produce. They can produce up to 28 liters of milk per day on an average. Also can produce maximum milk up to 60 liters per day during lactation. Also, A1 milk is the high percentage of milk that is available in the market. Here are the facts about A1 milk. A1 milk constitutes a chain of amino acids. This amino acid chain acts as a protein. Casein is the main component in the milk protein. At the 67th position of the amino acid chain, an amino acid histidine is available. Histidine is strongly paired with a protein BCM7 and gets into milk. Because of this, when the milk is consumed by people, it forms a toxic-like material which is similar to an opioid. So what is this opioid? An opioid is a compound resembling a high narcotic drug opium in addictive substances. This opium acts directly on the nerves. Also, opioid causes problems including lactose intolerance for milk inside the human body. Because of this, people suffer from nausea, vomiting, motions, bloating and gaseous problems. It helps in developing irritable bowel syndrome (IBS), which is a disorder that commonly affects the large intestine. It is also responsible for developing autism in children. So with the details specified, consumption of A1 milk is quite dangerous. A2 milk comes from desi cows or local cows. The A2 milk breeds include Gir, Tharparkar, Rathi, Sahilwal, Red Sindhi, Kankaraj, Ongole, Haryana and others. A2 cow breeds are popular for their pure and nutritious milk. They can produce up to 2 to 4 liters of milk per day on an average. Here are the facts about A2 milk. Similar to A1 milk, A2 milk also constitutes a chain of amino acids. Also, casein acts as the main component in this milk protein. The difference between A1 and A2 milk is that proline will be found in A2 milk in the place of histidine in A1 milk. This proline will be the 67th position of the amino acid chain. Proline is weakly paired with the protein BCM7 and does not get into the milk. A2 cow milk have got several uses. This milk is useful for knee pains, asthma and mental disorders. A2 cow breeds have a hump on their back. This hump is useful to absorb vitamin D from the sun. The absorbed vitamin D is then released into the milk. This milk consists of omega-2. It eliminates cholesterol from blood vessels. Also, the omega-3 in A2 cow milk helps in releasing the lousy cholesterol from the body. This milk contains good medicinal values. They contain cerebrosides in them. These cerebrosides help in boosting the brain power and immunity of the body. A2 cow breeds can receive sun's energy through the available hump. This energy will be made available in its products including milk, dung and urine. A2 cow milk has got some drawbacks. A2 cow breeds are very less in number. Also, they yield only 2 to 4 liters of milk per day. Actually, 50% of the milk should be fed to the calf. Only then the remaining milk should be made available to the public. In that case, the milk can't cater the needs of the people in a country like India. However, the Indian government has now taken steps to make the A2 milk available to the population. Popular milk brands are now providing A2 milk. Many Western countries have already accepted the benefits of A2 milk, but A2 cow milk is much costlier than A1 cow milk or buffalo milk. Apart from A2 cow milk, there are other types of A2 milk. The first one is the buffalo milk. The buffalo milk will be very thick compared to cow's milk. It will have a rich fat content, hence it will have more calories and is useful for people to put on weight. Consuming buffalo milk is better than consuming A1 cow milk. The second one is the camel milk. According to research, camel's milk resembles the same characteristic of mother's milk. They help to improve the immunity power in the body. Also helps in eliminating diseases including brain and psoriasis. Camel milk is less available but is the best source to consume. Also, it is more costlier compared to other A1 or A2 types of milk. The third one is the goat milk. This is highly nutritious. Goat milk has got several medicinal values which helps in reducing infertility, tuberculosis and cough, etc. Similar to camel milk, goat milk is also less available and is a good source to consume. Goat milk is also costlier than other milk types. Whether the milk type is A1 type or A2 type, adulteration to milk is being done in several ways. The first one is steroids. Cows are being injected steroids so that they can produce more yield. Also, steroids are being given in the feed. The oddments of the steroids that remain in the milk causes many hormonal problems for both men and women who consume it. These include increased hair fall, lowers the sperm count, increased breast development for men, and early menarche, early reduction in fertility, early menopause, weakness in bones and heart problems for women. The second one is the combining various products or chemicals in milk. Milk is being combined with products like soya powder, refined oil, sugar and urea, etc. This helps the vendors to make the milk appear thick and can produce more quantity of milk at a low cost. This is an absolute poison in the long run for one's health. The third one is mixing water. Adulteration of milk through mixing water is an age-old process. It is a loss to the consumer as the milk contains water content to a large extent instead of the pure milk. However, because of this, there won't be many health problems provided if the mixed water is not contaminated. The fourth one is milk in packets. The milk available in packets is very harmful because the plastic of the packet attached to the milk cannot be eliminated at any phase of the milk, that is, whether it is heated or turned to curd. Hence, packet milk is dangerous to consume. After all, milk is mostly consumed mainly for two purposes. It is for calcium and for strength. In fact, we are depending a lot on milk for calcium. But is milk the only source of calcium? No, there are so many things in nature that contain more calcium than milk. Leafy vegetables like amaranth, fenugreek, moringa and curry leaves have much more calcium compared to milk. Sesame seeds contain maximum calcium than the other forms. Actually, children require 600 milligrams of calcium, adults require 450 milligrams of calcium, pregnants require 900 milligrams of calcium. Calcium in the different forms include sesame seeds, which contains 975 milligrams, having the highest calcium in it. Curry leaves contains 810 milligrams of calcium. Moringa contains 198 milligrams of calcium. Fenugreek contains 176 milligrams of calcium. Amaranth contains 160 milligrams of calcium. Whereas the cow's milk only contains 125 milligrams of calcium and buffalo milk contains 220 milligrams of calcium. Also, this is only in freshly taken milk without adding water. Not only the other forms are far richer in calcium than that of cow or buffalo milk. These are even less cost effective. Also, for proteins, one can consume sprouts on a daily basis. Sprouts are also far richer in proteins than that of milk. Also, cow or buffalo milk is adulterated in many forms for commercial purposes, which is very dangerous to health. However, milk is a wholesome food only for infants. This is because they contain the vitamins and minerals required for the infant's body. For children and adults, milk is not wholesome as milk alone cannot give sufficient nutrients to them. So, it is the best solution to consume calcium and proteins in other forms. This is for both children and adults rather than depending on adulterated A1 milk type and A2 milk types. At the bottom line, A1 milk is the most used milk across the globe. Consuming this milk causes severe health issues ranging from nausea to autism in children. Also, this milk is being adulterated. it is best to completely eliminate A1 milk. A2 milk contains nutritional values and is good for health. Popular milk brands are providing A2 milk. However, this also has got the chance of getting adulterated. Again, this is cost effective. The government should take steps to reduce the cost for a better reach to the public. One can opt for A2 milk if they can directly get them from local vendors or confirming that they are not adulterated. This is for both cow and buffalo milk. One can also opt for a camel or goat milk if budget is not a constraint. On the other hand, alternatives to milk in other forms are available in nature. These forms include curry leaves, moringa, fenugreek and amaranth, which are rich in calcium. Also, sesame seeds are the highest source of calcium. Similarly, sprouts act as the highest source of proteins. These forms act as the best alternatives for the milk of all types. In spite of consuming adulterated A1 milk and A2 milk types, it will be ideal to consume the specified alternative forms. Also, these are much cheaper than any type of milk. You can find more information on the topic in my website naturalcosmos.com. I am giving the URL in description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for new video uploads. Also, you can share your views, comments, feedbacks, perspectives in the comment section. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kiran signing off until we meet in the next video.